we strip it down to just the lines, you can now see that they don't all intersect with each other. You see how you got like some stuff out here? Stuff that's off of a straight line, generally not an issue. Stuff inside, kind of funky. So let's strip it down first. Try this first, see if it works, and then we can start adding back in more of the details. Feel me, dog?
Yeah.
Because when it's artwork, you're not doing anything with it, you're just printing it. You can hide a lot of the imperfections. When you're not doing that, and you're just doing the raw pieces, then you gotta be good. You have to be very deliberate in everything that you're doing. Or it won't come out the way you like. You know those E's I was doing last weekend for Durst?
Yeah.
And they were coming out all up?
Oh, yeah.
Same things, because of the same stuff.
It's a metallic laser marking spray. So basically what this does is when doing engraving on metal, it might not show, it's like engraving it, but it won't fully detail your work. So with this spray, what it does, it basically darkens this spray into the metal, and that's why you get this.
Okay, gotcha.
So basically you just spray it like, it's like a coating basically. Something like.
Go ahead and say the whole thing in Spanish.
Oh, whole thing in Spanish? Oh, already.
Oh, both of you?
You know Spanish?
No, I don't know. Like,
oh, man, I thought both. Here, you want to try?
Es un coating. Oh my God.
Come on.
No, I don't know. Maybe just let it do.
Okay.
but I mean, you just let it dry. Wait till it's dry and take it back to the laser and start engraving.
So the other side, you guys have to clean it off after you're done? You got to like wash it off with water?
Yeah, with water. That's why I went to the sink
Okay,
and
gotcha.
washed it off with water.
So any metal surface, you have to spray this?
Yeah, any metal, aluminum, metallic,
Okay.
pretty much. I mean, other than that, other materials like wood, I mean, leather. I got another laser, like right here. You just start lasering.
Okay.
And usually with the laser, you can also cut through leather and do like the little holes that you need.
And that's
for
when
your
you kind of
keychain.
turn it up?
Yeah, that's where you turn it up or lower down your speed.
Okay.
In order for your laser to have enough time to penetrate the whole thing.
Okay.
That's why it's a lot of more like playing around with the speed and power. Because if you, let's say, put it at a low speed but high power, you might end up burning your material. Or if you turn up your speed and lower down your power, it might not fully engrave it. It just might like give it a little touch. And
Oh, okay. So you technically could push the whole, instead of it being like on top, you could kind of cut out the whole thing and it'll say flash.
well, that's the thing on that laser. It's I think it's a CO2 laser, and it won't fully cut what's metal or aluminum.
Oh,
It
okay.
only engraves it.
Okay.
But what you can cut with that, with the CO2, is wood, like thin wood, or plastic.
Like the acrylic stuff. for the
acrylic stuff,
earrings?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah, for this, you would probably need a plasma cutter
Gotcha.
in order to do that. Because we had a lot of customers asking, oh, can they cut metal, this and that? We're like, nah, I can only engrave it. For that, you would need a plasma cutter for it.
Make sure you refer to it as the safe agent. You gotta get that.
You want me to go through like all
Yeah.
the stuff?
I won't film it. I won't put you on.
Okay. Well, basically, you turn your file into a PDF, import it here to their software. Vector graph. And then use your settings for your laser. So this one is your speed, max power, minimum power. I set my speed at 50. The max power is gonna give is 50. And then the least power is gonna give 50 as well. So once your whole settings are done, you just send your file, and usually it's connected through via USB through computer and your laser too. So once it's here, you hit your file button, you enter the file that you just uploaded. These are your main two important buttons, your origin and your frame. What basically it does is you set your origin on your material and then you frame it to see if it fits. In this case, it does. And if you like your position and everything, you just set send.
Oh, it's fast.
Yeah. is done, you can just wear your laser. Sometimes. And after done, if you spray it, you will have to go to your sink or spray it out with water. And we can go do that real quick too.
Once you wash it off.
Yeah, once you wash it off, then you find the product. Sometimes what people would do also is grab a different type of coloring and they would paint it over, and that black becomes like any color you want.